Omuheezi wa mukuru w'empanuro z'ishengero ry'ihanga Thomas Tayebwa yasaba abebembezi omu ihanga okutumutuma ha mirimo y'entunguuka n'okuba ekyokureeberaho omu byanga byabo. Okurugyirira Sipiika Tayebwa enkiro gishemereire kuba aha murama gw'entunguuka.
Hati ekyekisanja kitwazamu twaza omuriro w'erensya struggle yitu atandika n'ey'amaani nk'oku pulezidenti yakigamba twaza omu kisanja ekyokugira ngu hatakagira owabyama, twaza omu kisanja ky'okukora kurwanisa obwoba. Hati mazima ndugire bunyoro, mwine enguudo, mwine amaizi, mwine amashanyarazi, mwine amarwariro, mwine amashomero, nikyo kikubareka omu bwoba.
Tayebwa hoona yahanangiriza abebembezi okwetantara okwebaganisamu kureka bakorera entunguuka.
Konka kivuga ogu nakugambira tinkashororwaga habo kugira ngo njye mukiga hanga konka nanye nintwaza gye mu misho gabona kandi mbikaribona edini narebaho na nowo bushoborozi bisa imbine yo wanje nanye nabundi je kubombekera ibyo bitari byahari se byo kushorora mu mure mwagwambura bamwe turwani isobworo abo kwa nico kikuru
ne Rugunda twali ne mama Mbabazi bali ba prime minister zene banje byakoze sabira abakonga babikole baberanga mu office olwo tulya naye mulumbe tubera naye mvuwa lwamubona tubera naye mama nabanja Katonda akwatireko naye nsaba president Museveni taina kukwera bila mukwanga.
Inganzi yanga Robina Nabanja ashabira abebembezi okwera abantu okurwanisa obworo n'okutunguura entaasi y'amaka gaabo.
President atugambira ekisanja kino busawo kubyama tiniku ekikumanyisa atulagire akuna kula twina kurora kabebembezi aba Uganda abebembezi ba Kakumiro nituya abantu baitu omubonako nkwenda itwena buli muntu kakwali osoke otere tochi owawe kusoka kiri kita alimu abali kurungi alimu abatakabayire.
Okuvugana oku kwikirwaho n'abanyamyogo mu by'entunguuka ku rw'umuyangire United Kingdom n'omushikirwa rwa Uganda muri United Kingdom Ambassador Nimisha Madvan.
February was my first time to Uganda with a very kind invitation from Her Excellency, and we came to Uganda and we found it incredible. We had such a great time. We saw how open Uganda is for business and how hard-working the Ugandan people are, which is why your country is having such good growth and such good leadership.
And on my first visit to Uganda, I was amazed by the amazing warm welcome that everybody gave us. I've never been to a country where everybody has such a big heart and is so kind and generous. So I'm very happy to be here today and happy to be at the inauguration.
Gasha kwa Thomas mwebaze.